Welcome to the Ghana kitchen.
Yes.
Where
Madeline kitchen.
Yes.
Where we are cooking
kontomire with akatwa, palm oil. We have onions.
The
we
akatwa
have
English name
momone.
is
We have
melon seed.
Melon seed. Yes,
That's
yes.
make it like egg.
And my dear mom, is cooking it. And we're gonna bag it and put it in the freezer, and eat it slowly. Hopefully, this should last a couple of months. Hopefully. So,
go and wash yourself.
now they say that why is your mother? You might
go on.
If this is the first time you're watching this video, you might think, oh, this guy is a mommy's boy.
Yes.
Because his mother is cooking for him. And in some ways, that might be true. But what is your definition of a mommy's boy? It depends. It depends your definition of a mommy's boy.
Yes.
Some say a mommy's boy is someone who can't do anything for himself. His mother has to do everything for him.
No, you are not like that.
Yeah. Yeah. And that's why they had that no scrubs. Remember TLC? No scrub. And they used to say a scrub is the kind of lives at home with his mama. Do you remember that? Anyway, I can assure you there's no mommy's boys here, but every now and then my mom comes to the kitchen and throw down and goes back to her town. Goes back to her home, but yeah, so this is mother's treats. Right there. But I don't understand why my older brother's not taking advantage of this, but I am. Yes. Look at that. This is so good. The African kitchen. And Big Bro is helping with the washing up.
For the kontomire and the
Big Bro.
melon seed. Add that nice.
I just need the dishes. That's all it matters.
Yeah.
So the first question I need you.
I'll be to the trim. I'll be to the treat. You know, black now. Why, Mike? I'm not sure why. Why?
Charlie, a bomb like you.
It's true. Oh, the would you treat if you are side now? Yeah.
You go there, that's the question.
The magic big at the two.